Hey guys, Norm here with Mobile Glass. Today I want to show you the 2018 GMC Sierra. This is actually going to be the same body style for the last few years, but if you have a newer GMC Sierra and you need to do windshield replacement, there's a question you need to have answered to get the right part. So we're going to ask that question and we're going to need you to answer it. So let me show you how. With this windshield, if you look at the top center, you'll notice a trapezoid area that's devoid of the black, so that we got big old black rectangle there, and then an area that doesn't have that black paint, shaped like a trapezoid or a triangle with the top cut off, if you will. Some people don't know what a trapezoid. So anyway, getting to the point. If you look behind that trapezoid, you'll see a camera, forward-facing camera. That's going to be your forward collision alert, your lane departure warning system. That's going to be the driver assistance package. All right. If you have that, we need to match up the windshield that's going to allow that camera to see through up there. So there's really just two parts with this particular model. It's the one with or without that feature. So if you call in, just pay attention to the top center of your windshield, snap a photo and send it to us. We'll be able to make a determination, get you the right part the first time, save you some hassle. So any questions, just give us a holler. We do have another video where we're going to show how that system works, so check that out too. But thanks for watching. Mobile Glass, 800-557-3078.